Hello, I am Kyle. Welcome to our series of videos on BioRT-HBV model. In this video, I'm going to show how to install BioRT-HBV model in Linux systems. BioRT-HBV model, as you all will by now know, is a reactive transport model that can simulate a wide range of biogeochemical reactions. The BioRT-HBV model is available for download in this GitHub page, and I'm now going to show to go to this website and show you how to download the code. So currently, the latest version of the code is available under the branch newer on a GitHub page of Lee Reactive Water Group. If you scroll down, you can see some information on the model, on how to install it, what are the input files, the output files, etc. In order to download the code itself, click on this green box and then click on download zip, and the folder will get downloaded automatically. If you unzip it, you will find the folder HBV BioRT newer, which contains all the files required to install the BioRT model. So now let's see what are the exact steps by which we can install it. First, open the Linux command line interface on your system and navigate to the folder where you want to install the model. Inside this model, you should either copy or extract the folder HBV BioRT newer, and then go into this HBV BioRT newer folder on your command line interface. Then run the command make call on the interface, on the command line interface. In a few minutes, the model will be installed. You can find, if you find the file known as BioRT inside the HBV BioRT newer folder, then you can be sure that the model is installed correctly. So now I'll just show you my Linux command line interface and walk through all the steps that I talked about. So here is my command line interface. I'm going to go to the folder where I want to install BioRT-HBV model. So I'm going to install it in a folder called CD, like models. Currently, that model is empty. So now I want to download my HBV BioRT model to this folder. For that, I'm going to go to the link, click on code. On the download zip, right click on the copy link. Now the link for the download is copied to my clipboard. Now I'll go to the interface and give the command wget the link. So there it is. The file has been downloaded. Let me check the name. So the zip file name is newer. I'm going to unzip it. So now that it's unzipped, I can see the folder called HBV BioRT newer here. So now I will navigate into that folder. Okay, now look at all the files that is inside it, and you can see that there is no BioRT file showing that the model is not yet installed. So now I will run the command make all. This should just take a few minutes, less than even 1 or 2 minutes. Of course, depending upon the internet connection for downloading. Okay. So now the BioRT model has been compiled, and we can see that we can see that it has been compiled, but let's just check whether the executive file has been created correctly. So I'll just again list all the files in the directory, and we can see that there is an additional file called BioRT, which is our executable file, or the file that we will use to run the model. So this brings me, so I guess this brings us to the end of the video. In this video, we looked at how we can install BioRT-HBV in Linux systems. Thank you.